Have you ever noticed how different your home feels when it's truly clean? Not just tidy, but fresh, organized, and healthy? Regular cleaning isn't just about appearances. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your family's health and create a calmer, safer home environment. Before we continue, like this video and subscribe to FastKlean for more home care advice and professional cleaning tips. A clean home supports your health in ways you might not even realize. Dust, dirt, and allergens build up quietly, and without regular cleaning, they can trigger colds, allergies, and even long-term respiratory issues. When you wipe down surfaces, vacuum carpets, and keep high-touch areas disinfected, you're reducing germs before they spread from person to person. And it's not just about physical health. A tidy space can transform your mindset. Clutter increases stress and makes it harder to focus or relax, while a clean home naturally feels more peaceful. Fresh air, less dust, and organized surroundings create a calmer environment where your family can unwind. Regular cleaning also keeps allergies under control. Dust mites, pet hair, and mold spores thrive in neglected corners, carpets, and upholstery. By staying consistent with dusting and vacuuming, you give everyone in your home a better chance to breathe comfortably. Safety matters too. Cluttered floors mean tripping hazards. Dust buildup around appliances can become a fire risk. And crumbs in the kitchen attract pests faster than you think. A clean home is a safer home across every season. If you want to keep things manageable, focus on a simple routine. Clean busy areas like the kitchen and bathroom more frequently, declutter often, and choose safe cleaning products that protect your family and pets. Pay special attention to your kitchen counters, sinks, and appliances, and keep your bathroom disinfected and well ventilated to avoid mold. In the living room, dust regularly, vacuum carpets and sofas, and don't forget the hidden spaces under furniture. Small habits make a big difference over time, and your home will feel fresher, safer, and more welcoming every single day. If this video helped you understand how regular cleaning protects your home and your family, give it a like, share it with someone who needs a little motivation, and don't forget to subscribe to FastKlean for more expert cleaning tips.